awesome. I am currently in Texas. I in fact just got off the plane. I am coming directly from New York. I was supposed to travel to New York on Friday. That's last week Friday, but it so happened that I ended up going to New York on the Saturday. I was going there because of a wedding. So what happened, you know, guys, I was supposed to go on my Delta flight, and I'm not sure what happened with my flight, but we never make it on it at all. You know, maybe if I had checked in online, then I would have known that everything is alright with my flight. But when I showed up at the airport, they said they didn't see anything, any flight which was booked for me, which is kind of ridiculous because I got my emails asking me, are you ready for your flights, you know, and confirmation number and all of that. So it was quite funny how they didn't have any records of that. So I arrived in New York like sometime in the afternoon, and the wedding was supposed to start at 6. So as soon as I arrived at the airport, I went straight to the restroom, well, baggage claim, then go straight to the restroom and change off quickly, called Uber and rushed to the wedding, guys. So you know, that whole time I never have no time to vlog or like take you guys with me because of peer rush. But anyway, I say, guys, I'm now in Texas, and it's actually my first time in Texas, and I'm gonna meet up with my friend Bretsky and a few others, so stay tuned. Unfortunately, there was a tornado watch and we just had to stay home. What are you cooking over here, Aura? Brussels sprouts. And? Just Brussels sprouts? Yeah, just Brussels sprouts. Alright, so this is Chef Aura. And this is, what should I say, Assistant Nat.
Yes. I'm more moral support than anything.
Yeah, Chef might be a little inflated.
I think that's an accurate title.
Avoiding starvation.
And then we have the visitor over here. We're just here for the food.
Oh yeah, I'm just the consumer. I'm not the chef tonight.
I'm not making.
So the tornado actually happened?
Yeah.
We might drive by my office because.
Is it still there?
Filming it?
Ass. It's like, oh yeah,
Where did it happen?
got hit by a tornado.
That would be gross.
No, it was close to us. Oh, so that's by where the freeways join. Yeah.
Yeah.
Say hi!
Hey, what's up? What's up, NoMediocre?
Yeah man, so we're going to eat some Korean barbecue. It's something that him usually eat a lot, and you know, him knows me want to try it out. So him find a spot here and we're going to check it out. Let's go.
Like that.
The lychee.
All right, well let's get this started.
And then you know how to open it, or do you need help?
I need help.
Okay, so basically what you do, you just unwrap it. Once
Yeah.
you wrap it, you're gonna have a top at the very top. So you get the top, you push it down. Yeah. I don't want to touch it for you guys.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It's like peel one of these. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Yes, and then the top's gonna separate from the top.
Yeah.
And then once, so you get that piece, and then you push that little. So you turn this one around. So you push that out.
Push it down.
Yeah, push it out first.
Oh.
And then you get that top, put it on top over here, and then with your palm, push it down with your thumbs too.
Ooh.
The heck?
And then
Whoa.
after that, you just take it off and you just separate it.
Oh.
Oh, cool.
Thank you. Actually, that's pretty cool.
Yeah. Alright, so it's official. I'm going to try Korean barbecue for the first time, and this one, lychee drink.
Yep, lychee, yeah.
Lychee, yeah. It's pretty cool how it opened though. You taste it. It's good.
It's kind of a delicate, fruity flavor, right?
Yeah. And it has it's carbonated as well, so it's like acidic.
Yeah.
It's good?
Riquis. Oh, you don't speak Spanish, sorry.
Spanish?
Yeah, I was gonna say Riquis.
You learn Spanish? It's okay.
I'm just like you're Korean, so.
No. So a lot of people think I'm Filipino or Korean, and I'm like, no. I'm Latino, so Mexicano. Yeah, so I was born and raised in Mexico. Yeah. I know. I might look a little bit white.
No.
And my accent is ever since I moved to San Antonio, my Spanish has been lost, and I feel like my pronunciation has, I guess,
Varied a bit?
Yeah, I got carried away a bit, but I mean, I'm still in my roots, so I know Spanish, okay?
Hablo español poquito.
Yeah, poquito.
I love that. And then besides that, on this side to that side, we are gonna have your yellow radish.
Yeah.
Right next to that, we are gonna have your fish cake. Right next to that, we are gonna have your Japanese macaroni.
Oh, okay.
Right next to that, we are also gonna have your cucumber kimchi, and then on the other side, we are gonna have your kimchi. Yes.
Go ahead.
And then the protein should be Australia as well, okay?
Awesome.
You're welcome.
This looks super cool though. So they're prepping the grill to put the pork belly, and what else going to go on the grill?
We're gonna get brisket, bulgogi. Bulgogi is like a marinated beef. It's kind of got like a little bit of a sweet marinade to it. Mm-hmm. It's got soy sauce, some spices, and a little bit of sugar. It's marinated. It's really good. And then we got the pork. The pork belly is kind of like, it's like a thick bacon almost.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've had pork belly before. I've just never done it on the grill. Yeah. Alright, what's this over here? Oh yeah, I did a video when you was talking about what sauce these are. So what sauce is this?
This one's a chili sesame with like salt and pepper. Mm-hmm. And you see the.
Yeah,
and then, this one's just like, I think it's like a soy sauce.
Oh.
It's like a.
Alright, let me eat. Taste some of this. I embarrass myself that I use chopsticks.
You can't use them?
I don't remember how it's because it's not something that I use often.
So we are gonna have your spicy tofu soup as well as your regular.
Which one is this?
Spicy tofu soup.
Oh, spicy tofu soup, and that one is
That's gonna be your miso soup.
miso soup.
Yes. And then over here we are gonna have your steamed rice.
Okay.
I'm gonna make space real quick, okay?
Yeah.
So we're gonna have your order of beef brisket as well as your order of pork belly. We also have your order of bulgogi.
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 As well, we also have your samjang. So what samjang is gonna be your bean paste, but it has that garlic flavor to it. What I recommend for you guys to do is get the lettuce wrap, put the paste on top, add a little bit of rice, add a little bit of meat, close it up, eat it like a taco, okay? And then besides that, is there anything else I can get you guys for right now?
We're good for now, yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Thank you so
All
much.
right, thank you.
You're welcome.
So. So what you want to do is get. These ones are pretty much frozen, but that's usually how they do it.
Oh.
They don't, because you're getting all you can eat, so they just, it's not like they're fresh, but they're still good quality. Though.
Actually looks pretty good.
Alright, so I'll just get that cooking and then I'll show you guys more when I'm prepping it to eat it.
Got that soon tofu soup. Get that in focus. Oh, okay. Looking good, looking good. It's like a spicy soup. How do you like it? It's got zucchini too.
Yeah. You know, just about to ask you what dishes I'm eating because it looks like cucumbers, like diced cucumbers.
I think it's zucchini. I think it's zucchini. So we got the meat grilling here, trying to get this nice and perfect, you know. Some people like it a little crispy, some people like it not overdone, you know.
Yeah, I don't want it to be overdone.
Yeah, I don't think overdone is good, but so this is almost done. Take a piece of lettuce.
Alright, let me get that. Where's the lettuce? I just use my hands.
Yeah. You get a piece of lettuce. It's the traditional way.
And
Put
then
it-
you can put the sauce on it, right?
Yeah, you can put a little bit of sauce. Put a little maybe a little rice with that, and then you put some meat in there.
Yeah. Alright, let's get this covered.
So that's like a bean paste sauce with garlic. That's a good amount. Yeah, you're probably good with that.
And some rice.
Yep. Yeah, that's good.
That's good.
It's probably good. Yeah.
And the pork.
This is beef, but yeah, beef brisket.
Oh, this is a beef brisket.
Brisket, yep.
What am I doing the pork?
We got it too. We got the pork right here.
Oh yeah, the pork.
Yep. But this one,
And
this
then
is like,
just
yeah,
close it up,
just
right?
throw, yeah, yep.
Yeah, watch me, guys. Watch me. Carefully rolling it. The break up, man. Ready? Take a big bite.
Like it?
Juicy. Beautiful.
Got a lot of sauce in that, yeah.
Yeah. Take a bite, guys. Take a bite.
All right, I'll take a bite.
Yeah, guys. Oh no, you make a bite.
Oh, okay.
It's really good.
What you can do is dip it in one of those sauces too.
Oh yeah.
Like, or put a little drizzle on it, whatever.
This is spicy one, right?
I think that's a little spicy, yeah. Maybe sweet spicy, I don't know.
It's good.
Looking good, Chanel. Chef. Master grill master. Ooh, do that.
Of
Do your dance,
course,
do your
the
dance.
master. Korean barbecue master. Of the pork belly though.
Yeah.
Yeah, looks good. Look at all that pork belly. It's juicy, right?
Yeah, it's fatty. But it's good, I mean, it's like...
Wait, so the fat good?
Yeah, it's definitely good.
Also, not the fat not good, but it tastes good.
I don't want to burn it. It's getting close.
And the pork belly with the rice. Delicious. Struggling with the chopstick, but it's coming up. me nah lie, at that point, me did buck. I simply couldn't eat anymore. Man, guys, we just left that Korean barbecue restaurant and the food was delicious. It was really good, not lie. I love the experience and you know, the whole fact that you have your own skillet. That's what you call it.
Yeah, your own grill too. Yeah.
Yeah, skillet or grill.
Change out grill.
Yeah. Yeah, man, you put the thing on and do it yourself. That's pretty cool.
Yeah, it was awesome.
Yeah, man.
I mean, you can't really go wrong with Korean barbecue, but that spot, the meat was pretty solid quality, and yeah, and then we had all our sides. We got to try.
Yeah.
You know.
As a matter of fact, when we finished the first round, and I was like, yeah, man, let's go a second. And boy, when this second come, it's like if a food just turned me off. Yeah, man, no one eats everything. Well, you left some in the plate still, but yeah, man, got a lot of food. It was great. And if you're in North San Antonio, come and check it out. If you have been to that restaurant, or if you have visited San Antonio, let me know in the comments, guys. Let me know, because this is my first time here in San Antonio, and so far, so good. Remember to like this video, guys, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed us yet. See you on the next video.